Hi, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and we are about to get to work on some interior work in the MT. First of all, though, hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome, and this is all about the MT and me. We appreciate you being back here, watching us once again, and if it's your first time, please consider subscribing, because we're still trying to reach 100 subscribers so we can name our YouTube channel. If you can help us out with that, we'd really appreciate it. Meanwhile, it's time to get to work. Come on in. Oh, no, you're still filming. I'm sorry.
You said come on in.
Yeah, I thought you were going to... I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to them.
Oh.
They're supposed to come on in.
So they're invited in, but not
They're
me,
invited.
huh?
Now you stay outside. You can keep your butt out there. Stay out of my way. So...
Y'all see how he does me.
Really? Okay. So, today, I want to accomplish a few of several things. Don't know how far we'll get. But I've got the electrics down here. I want to get them out, which I don't think is going to be quite as complicated as it looks. Famous last words. I also need to finish getting these out, which, judging by the way they feel, is not going to be that much of a problem. And
We'll see what goes
maybe
from there.
work on some rivets. We've got a lot of things riveted. But you know what? Before I can rivet anything or drill any rivets out, the last time we used the drill, I discovered a problem with it.
What's going on?
Sounds like my drill is stripped out. It shall drill no more. My good old Porter cable, it's about 4 years old now, I guess. Close to it. 5 years,
there, yeah.
4 or 5 years. And it has done a whole lot of drilling, putting screws in and taking screws out in its day. It has served me well. But it has been replaced. Nope, it's not a product review. They are boxed very well, I'll tell you that. Ah, there. Oh, that's a bit. That could be important. Okay, all right. It's come flying out of the box.
Right?
Smells new. So, okay. I am pleased. It's got a nice feel to it. Heavy, firm, comfortable, well balanced. What I'm going to do right now is let this battery charge a little bit more. And then we'll put it to work a little later on. Maybe drill out some rivets. You knew how many times I hit my head on this. But this way, I bounce. Sort of. Okay. electrics. I want to remove electrics. We have found more batteries. Okay, these are connections that go on to the rest of the vehicle, and these are water lines. I'm going to leave them be for now. But I did get all of this disconnected. The DC converter, the AC breaker box, and a bunch of interconnecting wire. It can all come out of here now. Yeah. Okay, that's got the electrics out. One of the next things I need to do is finish getting the tops, or what's left of these vents out of the ceiling, and get that sealed over. Trouble is, I don't have any duct tape. So, alright, back to the store, got the tape, ready to get on the roof and get those holes patched.
Cool. How are you getting on the roof?
You don't want me using that ladder on the back of the MT. She thinks it's not safe. Yeah, come here, let me show you. We were out here the other day and I happened to tug on it and fittings came right out of the bottom here. But it's still securely attached to the metal frame at the top, so I think it's climbable. It bounces a little bit when you climb it, but that just makes it more interesting.
No.
It's still on there firmly. You're not going to let me go up it though, are you?
No.
You're going to let me use it. Alright, alright.
You're going to go through the wall, you know that, right?
I know when I'm beaten. I've got another ladder. I can get the other one. Oh yeah, pretty clear. The years and the ultraviolet done a job on these. Back side of the sticky tape. Maybe that will keep the rain out. For a while anyway. Now, aha! It is solid green. That means it is charged. Yeah, it works. All right. What do you say we try drilling out a rivet? Because all the guys on YouTube make it look like fun.
Yeah, but they're doing Matchbox cars.
Yeah, I'm doing real 1970s recreational vehicles.
I think you got it.
I expected that to be much more difficult. Okay, well, I can find the rivet under here. I'm wondering if maybe I need to take something from this other side and try knocking it out, maybe? Did they do that on the videos? I don't remember. Well, that's not doing anything. Maybe if I take the remaining screws out.
Are you pointing with your foot?
Yeah, I was. Maybe if I take got the remaining screws out. There are 5 of them here. And they're lined up down this as well on the inside. It's about 5 of them. This end panel might pull off. It might not, but it might. Yay. Four more screws down here, and they're flat heads. Why? We got rivets, we got square heads, we have an occasional Phillips in here. Flat heads? Not exactly a stereo system. This is the only speaker installed in the back part of the unit. I guess it disconnects to the radio up front. I have no idea. Nice speaker. The rest of this assembly under this seat is the heater for temperature control here in the back of the unit. Okay, we've got a chance of rain possibly tomorrow, so we'll leave some of the windows open with the bucket here where it's known to leak. And we're going to wrap things up for today, kind of close this on down and get ready for possible, but we'll be out here again, possible rain tomorrow. But we'll be out here again tomorrow working, even if it does rain. So we'll see what more we can accomplish then. Till then, I'm Russ. Reese behind the camera. We'll talk later.